Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your Nvivo project and importing the media you'll transcribe. Once the files are in, make sure timestamps are preserved so Nvivo can align text to audio. If you'll use Nvivo's transcription integration, enable the service and confirm language and speaker count. If you're transcribing manually, create a node or document for the transcript and set up the template headings. This gets you into the workspace and ensures Nvivo can link transcript text to the media immediately. You now generate or create the transcript itself. If using automated transcription, select the media, open the transcription toolbar, choose your provider and language, then kick off the job. Once Nvivo returns text, skim and correct speaker labels, punctuation, and misheard words. Accuracy here matters for coding and queries. If you transcribe manually, play short clips, pause, and type into the transcript document, adding speaker tags and timestamps as you go. You can also start coding interesting segments immediately while the audio is fresh in your mind. You finish by syncing the polished transcript to the media and applying your codes or running text searches across transcripts. Once coded, export or memo the transcript for reporting and back up the project to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, like the transcript won't sync, first confirm the media format is supported and that timestamps exist. Then re-import the file or rebuild the alignment using Nvivo's sync tools. If issues persist, regenerate the transcript or split the file into smaller clips to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.